Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to fix 5M not opening. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, you just follow this video. First of all, you restart your system and the launcher. So guys, the fundamental step to resolve is software glitches or the memory conflict is restart. First of all, you exit your game and the launcher, then perform a full restart your computer and launch your game first, then try again your game 5M again. Okay, then guys, verify Grand Thief Auto V game files. Open your Steam or this Epic Game client, navigate to your game library and right click on the Grand Thief Auto V, select properties and go to the local files. Then click verify integrity of the game files and allow the process to complete and downloading any missing or corrupted files and relaunch 5M after the verification is finished. Update the graphic driver and Windows. Outdated order or an old operating system can cause the compatibility and the performance issue. Identify your graphic card manufacturer Nvidia and AMD. Download the latest driver directly from their official website. Perform a clean installation or the new graphic driver. Open Windows setting and go to the update and security. Click check for the update and install any pending Windows update and restart your PC, and after all the update are applied, attempt to launch 5M again. Then adjust the firewall and the antivirus setting. Security software can mistakenly blocked 5M executable or network connections. Open Windows Security by searching in the Start menu. Go to the Firewall and Network Protection. Allow an input through firewall. Find 5m.exe and ensure both private and public are checked. If you are using the third-party antivirus, temporarily disable it. Try to launching the 5m while security software is temporarily off. If 5m work, add a exclusive for the 5m folder in your antivirus. Reinstall the 5m and clear application data. Press Window plus R, type local app data and hit enter. Locate and delete the 5M folder with this directory. Open setting app and the feature. Find 5M in the list and click the option of uninstall. Go to the official 5M website and download the latest client installer. Then run the installer as the administrator and follow the prompts and launch 5M to complete the installation process. If you are using the Windows, so guys, window defender control the access folder. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.